Welcome to DHG Seller's Guide to Packing Before Your Home Sale. When it's time to pack up and move, understanding what stays and what goes is crucial for a smooth transition. If it's nailed down, bolted, or mounted, it likely stays behind. Be clear about items you want to keep, like chandeliers or TV mounts. All furniture should go, unless it was included in your purchase contract. Your garden stays with the house unless you've made special arrangements. Talk to your agent if you want to take specific plants. Anything anchored into the ground, like basketball hoops or swing sets, should stay with the property. If it's not cemented, it can go with you. Lighting fixtures, like chandeliers, stay with the house. Swap them out before listing if you plan to take them with you. Unless explicitly excluded, your curtains, rods, and blinds are considered part of the home. If you would like to take them, make sure to let your agent know. Make sure these details are clear before moving day. Small items like light bulbs aren't worth the hassle. Avoid disputes by leaving these behind and focusing on the bigger picture. For more tips and a stress-free selling experience, contact DHG today. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Let DHG guide you every step of the way.